Statistics is a set of procedures and principles for answering scientific questions when uncertainty is involved. Statistics is always in context, usually in the context of a scientific question. It doesn't have to be a scientist asking the question, though. It could be. You could ask, does a certain drug alleviate symptoms of a disease? But it could be a politician who's polling to see if his constituents support a new law. It could be a lawyer wondering about forensic evidence in a case. Statistics uses math, but not a ton of math. You can do a lot of statistics without doing very much math. When you do statistics, you do need good communication skills. You need to be able to read and write, and you need to use a lot of common sense and some logical thinking. There's two big kinds of statistics we're going to talk about: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. In descriptive statistics, you provide summaries of your data. These could be pictures, such as a bar chart, or they could be numbers, such as a mean or a percent. In inference, we're trying to find out about a population by using a sample. The population is all of the individuals we're interested in learning about. The sample is those individuals that we choose to measure and study. Here the population is drawn as people, but the population could be animals or plants or objects like light bulbs or ball bearings. Each individual in a sample is called either a unit or a subject or a participant. Sometimes they're called observational units or experimental units. Variables are the things that are measured on those samples. After we get all of our variables measured, we probably want to do something with them. For example, we could take the mean of the height of all of the people in our sample. That mean would be the statistic. Going back to our example about the politician, the question was, what proportion of the district supports the new proposed law? The population there would be all people in the district. That's who we want to find out about. The sample would be those people that the politician or the polling agency selects to be chosen for this survey. The variable we measure, and there's only one, is whether or not they support the proposed law. They're going to have a yes or no answer. And then the statistic would be the percent that support that law.